How to put anonymous message link on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the audio in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open a Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now type NGL. Now simply tap on search. Now simply install this application. Tap on the install button. Now wait for some time. Now after installing simply tap on open. Now tap on get started. Now select your date of birth. Tap on continue. Now select Instagram. Again tap on continue. Now choose your username. Tap on continue. Now simply tap on skip. Now type your message. Now tap on copy link. You can also tap on simply share your story. Now tap on next. Now tap on the sticker icon. Now tap on link. Now paste the link here. Now simply tap on done. Now adjust the position. Now tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.